Almost every large galaxy, including our Milky Way, has a supermassive black hole at its center. These giants contain hundreds of thousands to billions of times the mass of our Sun. At the heart of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A, about 4 million times the Sun's mass, actually small compared to some others. For example, the black hole at the center of the galaxy Holmberg 15A holds at least 40 billion solar masses. But how did these monsters form? Astronomers aren't sure. Some supermassive black holes appeared less than 1 billion years after the universe began. One theory suggests they formed from the collapse of enormous stars in the early universe, allowing them to grow rapidly. Over time, they became even larger by devouring gas, stars, and even other black holes. And when galaxies collide, their central black holes can merge, creating something even more massive. Supermassive black holes, ancient, powerful, and still one of the greatest mysteries in the universe.